Kevin O'Leary is wrong about student loans. Mr. Wonderful says you should pay off your student loans in just 3 years, but this is a trap for 99% of people. But don't worry, I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll show you why his plan fails and what actually works. So why does this strategy fail? Paying off your student loans in just 3 years sounds good on paper, but that's like going on a diet where you only eat lettuce. It works until you can't take it anymore and binge on everything in sight. It's the same with debt. You start strong, cutting every expense and paying tons toward your loans, but the pressure builds up. Suddenly, you snap and go on a spending spree because you're burned out. But that's not all. There's also lifestyle creep. You get a raise, but somehow your money disappears just as fast. Your $40 jeans turn into $200 ones. Your car gets fancier, but your loan payments stay the same. Let's take Sarah. She had $87,000 in student loans. She made a detailed budget and planned to be debt-free in just 3 years. But a year later, she barely made a dent, even with the best of intentions and a well-paying job. Why? Because she didn't follow a plan that worked for how her brain was wired. Here's the truth. Your brain needs rewards to keep going. When you give up on everything else to pay off student loans, you make the process so miserable that you eventually quit. So how do you fix this? Find a strategy that fits you, your habits, and your motivation. Crushing your student loans is about freedom, not just numbers on a screen. Paying off debt opens up your life. You can confidently buy a home, start a family, and take a job you love. And most importantly, you get peace of mind that's priceless. To start paying off your student loans in a way that's tailored to how you think, you need the right strategy. Watch this video to find which of the 2 most popular methods is best for you, so you can start knocking out your student loans fast and accelerate your path to financial freedom.